In today's video, I will be reviewing this new Outre Kinky Soft Edges in the style Kinky Soft 2, and I got it in the color 1B. This is how the wig looks straight out of the package, and as you can see, the hairline is a kinky edge hairline, which in my opinion gives the unit an overall beautiful natural look. I didn't do anything to the wig off camera except apply my foundation to the lace. So the first thing I'm doing is cutting the air tabs off on both sides of the lace so that the wig can properly fit on my head. Then I'm going to cut my lace into 3 sections and work on each section separately, starting with the middle section. And to lay my lace down today, I'm using the Kiss Lace Bond Adhesive Spray. I'm using a blow dryer on a cool heat setting until the spray is semi-dry, kind of tacky, and then I'm gonna go and lay the lace down. Then you want to repeat those same exact steps to the other 2 sections of the lace. Now I'm going in with my elastic band and my blow dryer. I'm using my blow dryer on the hottest heat setting so that I can get that melted lace look. I do this step for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then without the blow dryer, keeping the elastic band on, I do that for about 10 minutes. Now it's time to cut the lace, and when I cut my lace, I like to cut section by section, and I always start with the middle section. When I cut my lace, I like to cut in a zigzag motion because it gives the lace more of a natural look. I'm going back in with the Kiss Lace Bond Adhesive Spray, and I'm applying only a small amount of that spray on top of the lace to give the lace a more melted look and for a longer hold as well. Now I'm about to go back in with my elastic band, but before I do that, I'm gonna pull out some of the edges and then I'm gonna go in with the elastic band. And I'm doing this because I wanted the kinky edges to lay down a little bit flatter without me having to use extra product. I'm using the Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation in the color Level 15 to blend the lace with my skin tone. And I'm using the darkest shade on this palette to blend my lace. I went in with my blow dryer on the hottest heat setting and a firm brush to flatten down the top of this wig. And I didn't want to flatten it down too much, so you'll see me fluff the hair out a little bit. Then I used the Even Wig Knots concealer in the color Medium Beige to enhance the parting space. Lastly, I'm gonna use my wide tooth comb to comb out these curls. I was being very careful and mindful during this step because I didn't want to comb out the curls so much that it loses its form. So in between using the wide tooth comb, I would also finger comb the hair, and this kind of added some more volume to it as well. But if you just keep adjusting the hair and playing around with it a little bit, eventually it'll come together. For the final touches, I went in with my hot comb on the lowest heat setting to flatten down this hair just a little bit more. I wanted the hair to have a little bit more volume throughout the entire wig, so off camera, I just fluffed the hair out a lot. I flipped like the wig upside down, flipped it back up, and just fluffed it, and you'll see the results in the next clip. Here we have the final look. I am obsessed with the outcome, y'all, honestly. This unit looked so natural, even in person. I installed the unit and it was still hard for me to believe that it was synthetic. It didn't even feel synthetic at all. This unit had the perfect amount of volume. It was curled to perfection, layered so well, and I really liked the length as well. My favorite thing about this unit is, of course, the natural kinky soft texture. You can look at this unit and it just looks soft. And in my opinion, the kinky edges add so much points to this unit because that is what ties the entire natural look together. I didn't experience excessive shedding, which is a good thing. And as far as the tangling, I did come across a few snags, which is expected, especially for a curled synthetic wig. Oh, and here's how the back of the unit look. Look at this bounce. Look at how natural it looked. You can't tell me that this is not my real natural hair. That is the end of this video. Let me know how y'all like this unit. Make sure y'all subscribe and stay tuned for our next video.